Here are 11 ways you can make money with Web3. Let's get it. Web3 isn't just starting, it is the future and it's just beginning. Bro, right now, it is just at the baby step. It's still taking the baby steps. Whether you're a creator, investor, or tech savvy entrepreneur, there are multiple ways to earn. Let's break it down one by one. Number one, play to earn. B to E. Gaming. You know, Web3 games lets you earn real money by playing, own in-game assets as NFTs, trade them, and earn with crypto. Popular games like Axie Infinity, Sandbox, Gods Unchained, you know, big time. Number two is decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi lets you earn passive income without banks. Ways to make money in DeFi: staking. Lock your crypto and earn rewards. Number two, yield farming. Provide liquidity and earn high APYs. Number three, lending and borrowing. Lend your crypto and earn cash passively. Third way to make money in Web3: NFT and digital arts. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, lets creators monetize art, music, and content. Like this, create and sell NFTs on OpenSea, Raribles, and foundations. That's the home. Then flip NFTs, buy low, sell high. You know how that goes. Get in, get out. Earn royalties on NFT resales. Another way. Number four way to make money in Web3: crypto investing and trading. Want to profit from market movements? Hodl. Long-term holding of strong crypto projects. This is very good. Just like buying land today and you sell in the next 5 years. You know what can do it to your life. Imagine those who bought crypto Bitcoin in 2012 and sold in 2020. Blood money. Can you wait? That's another question. Swing trading. That's what I love. Swing trading, you buy low, sell high in short term. You buy to this early morning, maybe by 5 a.m., 6 a.m., you wake up, you buy into the market when the price reversed, then you buy low, then wait for it to rebound. Once it rebounds, you sell. Cool way to make your money. Short term, sweet money, you go on. Arbitrage trading, buy on exchange, sell on another for profit. I think people like their billiard started like this. A lot of people, great BTC, if you know them, they are heavy on arbitrage and to P2E2. A lot of them are into that, and it's a very sweet way to make money if you know what you're doing. Web3 content creation, like what I'm doing. Create content that gets rewarded in crypto. Create on mirror.xyz, like Web3 blogging. Create Web3 YouTube content and TikTok content, like what you're watching now. It's very powerful. Content creation is like the new oil money. You can't stop it. It's machine, and it doesn't matter where on earth you live. As far as you have your phone and the internet, you can get in. Get in, man. Go to Twitter and see what some guys are making with Web3. You'll be shocked. They're making money more than the likes of Sabinus and the rest. No joke with them. If you can talk like this on Facebook, on your camera, and you're bold enough and you know what you're saying, get in. It's still early, bro. Number three way you can make money with web content creation, Web3 content creation, is start a podcast on decentralized platforms, bro. Even on YouTube, you can still make your money. Makes sense. Just create a podcast that talks about decentralized platforms, and you're good to go, man. Sixth way to make money in Web3: work for DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. DAOs pay contributors in crypto for skills like development, marketing, governance, and community management. Any of this you can do, you are very good. If you're a developer, you're cool. If you're a marketer, PR, social media management, whatever you can do, you can get in and still make your box, man. So check out DAO's House, Aragon, and Bankless DAOs. These are places you can, get started. Number 7 way to make money: airdrops. Airdrops and bonuses. If you know what you're doing, they could just be stressless money. But let me make you understand what I'm saying. Many Web3 projects reward early adopters with free tokens, completing tasks like test the D apps, provide feedbacks, like hold tokens. Some airdrops reward existing holders, like follow projects on Twitter and Discord to stay updated. If you do one of these three things, you can really make some good money from airdrops. you know, just help completing tasks or being an early adopter of the project, you know, holding their tokens, you know, doing some exercise stuff on on their site, or doing some things they ask you to do. They can reward you for that. Even following them on Twitter and following them on social media and Discord, they can even reward you for this. So if you know what you're doing, but follow no road before you can put your details where it's not supposed to. You get what I'm saying? So that you're not serious, you're not informed too. Please. Web3 development. Another, the eighth way to make money is Web3 development and smart contracts. If you're a developer, Web3 is a place to be. High paying roles include blockchain developer, smart contract engineer, Solidity, D apps developer, decentralized apps. If you can do any of these, bro, solid. Learn Solidity and Rust to get started. These two, get it. And if you get it, baba. Number nine, virtual real estate. Buy, sell, rent virtual land in metaverse. This is good. Metaverse is big now, you know that. So you can check platforms like Decentralized, the Sandbox, Sominum, Space. These are places you can get in and see what's happening and see how you can get in. Number 10 ways affiliate and referral programs. Promote Web3 projects and earn commissions. Crypto exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, KuCoins. Promote any of this, you can make money. Promote NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Look Rare. They pay for it. DeFi platforms like Aave, Uniswap. Do any of this, and you are good in it, and people are giving you that attention. They will come to buy into your attention. That's a fact. Number 11, last but not the least, launch your own Web3 startup. If you get the mind, if you get the money, if you get the strength, bro, it is blood money. If you have an idea, Web3 is a great space to build. Popular Web3 startup ideas are like decentralized social media. Give us a more decentralized Twitter. That would be so powerful. Play to earn gaming. That's good. DeFi lending platforms. Man, be our better, bigger bank. Makes sense. Give us the power. So we need it now. Final thought, Web3 is still early, meaning massive opportunities. Those who take action now will reap the benefits. You should be one of them. This is Pascal Chikero, signing out. Thank you. Follow for more and let's do more. Let's talk in the comment section. Tell me which of these ones make sense to you and you would like to try. I'll be waiting. Sign out.